Have you ever been in a situation where you had to take an abrupt and a long road trip leaving your city at a very unusual time? I left a city behind me just a few hours ago to enter just another city and deal with its traffic. Just exited Delhi Mumbai Expressway to get stuck into this. But you get to experience some of the stunning roads of this country. Well, if you have, then comment your experience below and a high five to you as I go on to experience something similar in this video. I'm going to Jaipur. Now, this is a very sudden plan because of a slight emergency, but our journey is gonna be awesome because we are going by road. Now, when I say we, it means us. I've taken my first break and I am at McDonald's right after you cross Fountain Hotel. I had to stop because I had to refuel and I also did not had my lunch earlier today, so I'll get something to eat and then I'll proceed ahead. Man, it's so hot outside. So I got myself one spicy paneer and lemon iced tea. I'm not gonna waste my time sitting here and eating. I'll drive and eat and continue my journey. So I've been to Jaipur before. I went to Jaipur by road back in 2022 and at that time it took me around 20 hours to reach the place where at my uncle's place. And now today I left around 1 p.m. and it's already 2:30 because there was a lot of traffic as it is very odd time when I left from home. So let's see how much time does it take now for me to reach Jaipur. Well, the total journey is around 1160 kilometers. So let's continue, and my next stop is gonna be somewhere before Ahmedabad after Surat. So let's see, wherever I stop, I'll meet you again. Till then, you enjoy this view and I'll enjoy my meal. I don't know if you can see or not, but this road is being renovated, and because of this renovation is, by the way, going from months now. I went to Surat earlier this year in February and the condition was worse than this. It has improved now because of how busy this road is, but as you can see, like driving on the wrong side of the road because the other side is being renovated, and due to this the travel time has increased massively. I mean, like when I went to Surat earlier this year in Feb, it took me 9 freaking hours to reach Surat, which by the way in a normal condition will take you only around like 4.5 hours. But because of this under construction or construction of road, the travel time has increased massively, and I don't know now. I have not crossed the border yet. It's 3:30 and I had left my home at 1 p.m. and I have not yet crossed the border, so I don't know how much time will it take, and I think I might have to drive in the dark also for a majority of the time, because nowadays, you know, sunset happens around 5:36 and there's dark after 6, so I think I'll have to drive in the darkness also. officially. Yay! 114 kilometers done and 4 hours, which is very bad and very slow, but it's okay. I mean, I cannot crib about it. It is what it is. It was a very odd time when I left for my journey, so yeah, part of the experience, part of the journey. I left a city behind me just a few hours ago to enter just another city and deal with its traffic. I am in Vapi and the traffic condition is bad. I think I'll have to deal with this traffic and these truckers till Surat. Once I cross Surat, I think it's gonna be all fine. After that, Surat is still around 110 kilometers, so 110 kilometers of pain in the actually all the traffic was due to this. See. Just exited Delhi Mumbai Expressway to get stuck into this. See. ...422 kilometers done so far. Still 600 kilometers to go. So after riding for almost 450 kilometers, I finally took a halt to eat and take some rest. It is 12:30 in the night and I am somewhere near or in the Ahmedabad. I am not sure where exactly I am, but I found this place right beside the highway, so I decided to take a halt over here. As I saw, there are a lot of people over here. This is Shriji Chai Wale, somewhere on the Ahmedabad highway. As I said, I don't know. As you can see, there are still a lot of people over here eating, munching.
A few moments later.
It is 1:30 in the night and I am dead sleepy. Therefore, I have taken a room. It is right beside the place where I ate a few minutes ago. I showed you this is Hotel Apollo right on the Mumbai Ahmedabad highway. I woke up early today. I woke up around 7 a.m. and because of that I am dead sleepy. That is the reason I had to stop, and it becomes very important when you are traveling for such a long distance. You need some rest, so I'll sleep here for a couple of hours and see you whenever I wake up. So bye bye. Well, hello and welcome back. This is the next day and I'm still on road, still driving, still 440 kilometers to go to reach home. And I have stopped right before Udaipur. Journey so far, like since morning, since I started driving, is awesome. Like last night I couldn't show you guys much because there was no view, it was just plain highway. Well, the view starts from now. Like as you enter Rajasthan, as the Aravalli range starts, well, the roads which you have seen so far since the morning, it's the Aravalli range, the beautiful Aravalli range of Rajasthan. Road condition is as good as it can get, man. I think Mumbai-Jaipur highway is one of the best highway in this country. If you have travelled from Mumbai to Jaipur or from Mumbai to Delhi and you have taken this road, you must be knowing it. And if you have not, then I'll say and I'll suggest that you should give it a try at least once. And because this is a different kind of experience, different kind of feel. it will be with you forever. The experience, the love which you will get by traveling on this road. It is like it's traveling on this highway hits differently. I said to you in the start of this video that I have already traveled from Mumbai to Jaipur earlier in 2022, and to get that experience, to get that feel again, I was very excited in spite of the situation which I am driving in. I am still very excited and still very happy that I got a chance to experience this road again. And another beautiful thing is that my view, the view where I have stopped, where I have taken a break. See, there's a sun rising from the front. This beautiful road which is going by, and you must be wondering that why I have this jacket on, because it's cold. I think it is around 16 degree Celsius. Yeah, winter has already started in Rajasthan. Well, I think this would be my last stop before I go home, as I am very much sleep deprived and I have a very bad headache right now as I talk to you guys. So I don't feel like taking any more breaks or for eating or for having refreshments like tea or coffee. So let's see how it goes. If I feel that I have to eat anything, I'll stop and eat or drink, maybe take a coffee. But for now, let's continue this journey. As I said, it's still 440 kilometers to go, and the map shows my estimated time of arrival is around 2:30 p.m. But let's see if I can beat that. If you have watched till now, you must have noticed one thing, that whatever shots you are seeing, whatever scenery you are seeing all of them being shot from within the car. I'm not mounting my camera anywhere outside the car because I'm constantly driving on triple digits. So because of that reason, I don't want my camera to be blown away by wind. Yeah, that is the only reason why I'm doing this, and why I'm not mounting my camera on my like outside my car. So apologies if any of the shots are not clear. Bhilwara highway right now, and since we left that Aravali Hills range and took a bypass for Nathdwara, the road it's just straight road. There's no turn, no left, no right. I hope you enjoy this straight highway, because literally it is very straight highway. I have all I am doing is just turning my steering wheel 2 degrees left, 2 degrees right. That is all. Other than that, it's a pretty straight highway. I'm also pretty hungry, but I don't feel like eating anything. So I'll see if there are any fruit vendors besides the road. I'll get some fruits. Otherwise, I don't feel like eating anything else, because I am very tired. I did not sleep at all in past 24 hours, so my body isn't allowing me to eat anything. Yeah. I stopped on the highway as I found a fruit vendor who also has banana. She's right there. It feels so good just to step out of the car after you've been driving for almost 20 hours. I cannot even walk. My entire body is aching. So there's a good news. We have officially completed 1000 kilometers of this trip. See, still 173 kilometers to go, which I think will take 2.5 hours more. Okay, now I'm getting bored because of how straight this highway is. I've been driving on a straight road from past, I don't know, 3.5 hours, and now I just want to go home. There's no fun left. Oh my god, there's no fun left anymore on this trip, and now I just want to go home. I think the map shows 2 hours more, but I think I'll reach maybe in an hour and a half. One last and final break before I head home. I took a break over here, got myself a coffee and a protein bar. I had with me. So this is the last break, and I'm going to my uncle's place, by the way, if I haven't said you yet. So my uncle's place is just 30 kilometers from here, so I'll end this video here itself. Let me know how did you like this video. If you enjoyed it, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please also subscribe. I'll see you very soon in the next one. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay safe and stay tuned.